After a long time, I'm back on YouTube. I'm here. So it's been a minute. The reason why I was not posting any videos, like I had some personal issues in my life and I had no time. Like always I wanted to upload videos from the beginning. I started my channel like 1 year before. I'll make some good content. So the speed limit is 80. Yeah, fine. I'm maintaining 62. I almost didn't ride my bike for 4 months, I guess. And even though my chain is fucked up right now, I have to lube my chain. Like this vlog is just a random vlog. I have nothing to tell. I don't have lots. The main thing of motovlogging is when there is a camera in front of me, like I shiver. I can't talk so much. As I said, it's my first time, so it's kind of fear for me. Like let me get used to it talking, then hope in my next videos I'll speak up more. Like I'm blabbering something I literally don't know, and like it's so random for me right now. So right now I'm heading towards one of my friend's house. Have my exams on Monday and today is Saturday. It's a study holiday today. I was so jobless at home. I was so bored. I thought of meeting this guy. This is my first time I'm checking my camera though. So right now I'm seeing it on my phone. I hope there is no wind noise cause I don't know whether the audio is clear or no. I'm not sure. I hope in my future videos I'll bring out some good content. I'm planning to make some daily observation videos. I have my Instagram page. It's d97motovlogs. Yes, dude, I'm not wearing any gloves. I'm not totally geared up right now. As I said, it's just a random vlog. It feels so crazy, man. It's like amazing because this place is away from city and you have no traffic around you, but you have to maintain your speed limit. Oh, there is an indicator. I didn't see that. Which bike is that? I guess it's a Mojo. Yes, it is Mojo. Oh, that exhaust note is too loud.